Do you remember the time that you were so excited that the school bell rang and it was time for you to go home? Guess what? The second best bell after the school bell is Coin's bell icon. So press the bell icon after you subscribe. Thank you. Let's get into the video. Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Dogecoin video update. Today we're looking at Dogecoin for Friday. Now Dogecoin is probably pumping up because of what the market did. You know, the midweek reversal. Of course, we were pretty much like overbought. No, actually, we were oversold, and we needed a little bit of that burn and release pressure from moving to the downside. Now, at the moment, if I do turn on the RSI, now there are many places where I do think that the RSI could be a problem, but for Dogecoin it's different. But so many altcoins right now, they have some divergences of the RSI. Now, basically, I just want to give you one refresher, and this refresher again is going to be on the daily time frame. One thing is very, very clear to me, that we're still looking for Dogecoin to come down to nearly 0.05991, and that's going to be still a drop that is pending from there to there, and we're talking about a 40% move to the downside. Okay, so nothing is that much in particularly good, but there's one more place or one more thing that I'm looking at as well, and that is this trend line right over there. Now, if you ever come down for Dogecoin and try to lose 0.06064 and you drop all the way down to 0.05 or something, then you basically are taking this lowest part actually. Okay, you're taking that lowest part, and there are chances of probably continuing a little bit lower to 0.02 as well. Now you see, if you do something like this, come down here, break this level, you could actually end up pumping a little bit back up to 6153, pump back up to 6153, get rejected right over there, and slowly start to move even lower from that place. So be very, very careful about this one. Let me just warn you, but at least for now, there's a technical target to come down to 0.05 as well. And that's pretty much it for this update. Just a quick one. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.